Hey, it's me, Jason, the guy who did the archival disc tech talk about a month ago. Today I got well, not an old topic like the archival disc, but this new thing from Intel called the Intel Vision Accelerator to talk about today in, this video's tech talk. Now, this new technology was announced around a couple weeks ago on October 10th, so there's not really much information about it, except for on Intel's news website and promotional website. And, well, that also means that I don't have any pictures, because this is mainly software related. Unfortunately, that means that you're stuck with my sweet voice, which is very nice. And the little screenshots and pictures I could find off of the news journal kind of article thing I found, as well as the website itself about this technology. So what is the Intel Vision Accelerator Solutions? That's a long name. Well, obviously it's a new technology from Intel that was, luckily for me, announced around a couple weeks ago. So what exactly it is it's kind of what it's shown on the video right now, or at least the slide picture, where it's kind of like a real-time HUD for cameras. Kind of like Google Glass, except you're not wearing it on your face. But in all reality, that description really doesn't do this product justice. It's kind of more like an assistant to whatever new AI you're developing at the moment. Something to augment it. Yes, it is a real-time HUD for cameras, but essentially it allows something like an AI to use your camera kind of like as an eye. The AI uses this so-called eye, or the camera in this case, as a way to learn or just take a bunch of information from, well, its eye level. So it takes the information that it takes from eye level, and then it uses that to do whatever the AI is developed for, such as, let's say, your AI has been developed to quickly take information, such as the size of a gear in a workshop, and upload that information to whatever cloud server your company's using. So this new kind of helper technology for your AI comes in two packages. One is in the Intel Movidius vision processors, and another one is in the Intel Aria 10 FPGA. So on Intel's website, there's already kind of a list constructed of who this technology was targeted towards. As you can see in the video, the three big groups that I could find that I gathered from this list was businesses, the government, and analysis groups. As mentioned earlier, for businesses, this AI camera or eye thing for the AI can be used as a way to gather information on how the workflow is going through in the factory. While uses for the government, from what I can gather from Intel's website, they say that law enforcement could use it to quickly get onto a scene or quickly know the situation of the scene from a nearby, let's say, camera in the neighborhood, such as having the AI be able to identify the age of the perpetrator and see who's, truly innocent or not, and who did what, and the crime situations. So for analysis groups, you can already kind of gather from what I'm saying that these analysis groups can put this new technology on their AI in a camera, and then get a bunch of information from whatever they're trying to look for, such as, let's say, what is the current, main age population of the city, or how many cars are red, how many cars are blue, simple things like that. Of course, this isn't restricted to these three groups. This technology can also be used by anyone who's just wanting to make a really advanced AI, such as an AI that mimics essentially us. So now on to the neat trivia information, as well as my opinion on this product. Since I couldn't find information that I found neat, this is mainly just going to be my opinion on this product. So, I guess that in itself is a neat thing to some of you, hopefully. So first off, this kind of technology kind of reminds me of what the Chinese are kind of doing, where they have a security cameras kind of everywhere on the streets, Beijing, Shanghai, all around that area. And what these security cameras can do is that it's kind of like a dumber version of this product. But what it does is that it uses facial recognition to be able to pull up the Chinese citizens' social security or anything, their credit history, their current credit score. And this comes back to the vision accelerator. See, if this was used maliciously, I can definitely see people being able to program an AI and have an algorithm where it can essentially stalk you anytime you want, even if you were, let's say, fully clothed or heavily clothed or lightly clothed. No matter what you do, whether you're naked or not, they'll be able to identify you, which is quite worrying because that means that you essentially cannot hide anywhere except for a place where there's no camera. Yet again, that's if this technology was used maliciously. I can definitely see good uses of this, such as the earlier examples, such as the government police officers or fire department being able to actually identify from a nearby security camera what the current situation is and what happened to the exact detail on and who the perpetrator is or isn't. Speaking of the government, I bet the NSA would love this new technology. But anyways, as a privacy advocate, I have to say that I'm not really for this new technology, but at the same time, I can definitely understand and see how useful this could be. Anyways, thanks for watching my video. This is my works cited page. As you can see, that's the website, that article that I got my information from. And thanks again for watching.